Yeah, what's good with y'all? It's your boy J Pimp. You know, I'm sitting here with my brother Daniel South. You know, I got a few questions to ask him because there's a lot of people out there listening to his music on SoundCloud, and everybody's enjoying the music, but they don't actually know the person himself. So I'm gonna let him introduce himself. Then I'm gonna get down to the questions. You know, what's your name?
My rap name is Daniel South. My real name is Nephew for the Same.
Okay, then that's good. That's good. So let's get down to the questions now. When did you start rapping?
When I started rapping was in 2001. It was with the first track with J Pimp and my other homeboy J5. That was our first track. I remember that.
Okay, that's good. That's what's up. When did you begin to start doing music?
When I began to start doing music, it was probably 2000. Well, really right now, I was on hiatus. I was in, you know what I'm saying, in a couple of law things. I started pretty much now in 2017. I'm finally starting my music, you know what I'm saying.
Okay, that sounds good. At what age did you record your first song?
My first song was the same. First song was practically the same year, 2001. I had to been like 22, 21. On wax, you know, on a real recording studio. So about 22, 21.
Okay. How did you come up with your rap name?
Oh, that's a good one. How did I come up with my rap name? Because I'm a very spiritual person. I go to church. When I was very young, I used to go to church a lot with my mom and dad, and we had Bible study. So my person I was studying my Bible was Daniel. But when I was in the lion den with all the lions and stuff, and the lions messed up with them, really go back into the scripture. And how I get the last name was South, because you know I'm down here in the South, over here by Miami Beach in Broward County, but this is Palm Beach County right here, you know what I'm saying? We still consider the South. So I got Daniel South, put it together, and I just like, that's what I like, you know?
I agree with you. Who inspired you to start writing music?
Who inspired me to start writing music was really my brother J Pimp. He told me my freestyle is okay, but put on paper as insurance is a good thing, you know what I'm saying, to do. So yeah, it was J Pimp that inspired me to do music writing.
That's nice. Are you working on any new music?
Right now it's 2017, it's about 2:03 p.m. I'm working on my mixtape. That's what I'm working on, my mixtape, to jump on numerous beats of other people, artists. I'm a beat maker, my own stuff. I make beats. I make numerous beats for J Pimp and other artists. But I want to do my mixtape and get my name into the motion of one of the hot mixtapes out in the South. You know what I'm saying?
Yes. In the music industry, who would you like to work with?
Who I like to work with in the music industry? One, I have to work with a legend like on the west side, California, gotta be Dr. Dre. Midwest, gotta be Kanye West. On the eastern side, it's gotta be down here with MMG, Rick Ross, and Birdman, Rich Gang, you know what I'm saying, Birdman, Third Wall, you know what I'm saying? The type of people I want to work with. State representative.
That's what's up. You know, this is my last question for you, because, you know, we ain't making this interview too long. We just making it real short. So, do you have your eyes on any particular female artist you would like to work with?
Female artists I like to work with? Wow, that's a tough one. All of them are taken now, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, I don't want to step on nobody's toes because what I say on my lyrics. And so, one of the females I would like to work with, female artists that I would like to work with, would be Nicki Minaj, with YMCMB, Young Money. Yeah, probably her.
Okay, that was the interview with Daniel South. You know, beat maker, rapper, you know, business owner. So, you know, it was good interviewing you. You know, we're going to have more questions for you throughout the months and years. So, keep up the good work. Keep doing music. Yo.